guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create presets like Peter McKinnon in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some sample pictures before and after effects. I post tutorials of Lightroom presets every week, so hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss the video. So, let's start editing. First, open the Lightroom and go to the lights. Bring the contrast down to -40. -71 for the highlights. And bring down the shadows to 45. .45 for the whites. And decrease blacks up to -26. Go to the curve and follow the steps shown. Next, go to color. Vibrance to -2. Now let's select mix to play with the colors. First choose red. Hue to 9. Next go to orange. -4 for hue. Bring saturation down to -40. And 29 for luminance. Now go to yellow. Hue down to -100. And saturation down to -100. Now move to green. Hue down to -100. And saturation down to -100. Now move to aqua. -73 for saturation. Now select blue. -80 for saturation. Saturation of purple to -100. And also -100 for the saturation of magenta. Done. Let's move to effect. 21 for clarity. Dehaze increases to 10. And -18 for vignette. Let's move to details. 25 for sharpening. Noise reduction to 20. And color noise reduction to 15. Switch on lens profile correction. Now save the picture. Increase exposure and shadows if the picture looks dark. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like the video.